Freedom of speech is a fundamental right and necessary for a healthy democracy. Yet sometimes people or organizations can manipulate the public debate to weaken democracy. One tactic often used is silencing critical points of view. Let's find out how this works and how you can spot it. Those who want to distort the democratic debate don't always try to convince us that their version of reality is true. Instead, they attack voices and viewpoints they don't like. Silencing campaigns are often led by non-democratic foreign powers. Their target could be political actors opposing them, women, minorities, journalists. What's the danger? Silencing can take different forms. It can seek to intimidate people by flooding their social media posts with attacks or negative comments about their looks, gender, nationality, or other personal characteristics. Sarah, could you tell us more about it?
Of course. Trolls or bots powered by artificial intelligence are often an important part of these attacks. In more extreme cases, the manipulation can take the form of actual threats or harassment. Artificial intelligence can be used to create so-called deepfakes, a virtual copy that looks like the attacked person, sounds like the attacked person, but says or does something completely different than the original, all to portray people in a negative way. In other cases, journalists or other opinion makers have had their personal pictures stolen via hacking and then published against their will on compromising websites.
Those behind such attacks hope that their targets will be afraid of speaking up and that their arguments will disappear from the debate. They want journalists, opponents, activists to stop their critical investigations. Self-censorship is the intended result of such silencing campaigns. This happens when people with particular points of view withdraw from the public debate or become too afraid to continue their work. And the public debate manipulated in this way only results in less informed democratic decisions. What can you do? Helping against an attack is never easy, both in the real and the online world. But when we witness a silencing campaign against others, we can offer our support to the person or group that is being targeted. Always remember that a majority of people support a civilized tone in the debate. It's okay to disagree and to criticize each other's viewpoints and arguments, but it's not okay to attack a person's identity or looks to intimidate or threaten them. Disagreeing is not the same as disrespecting. Hate speech is not acceptable, and there are laws in place to protect citizens online and offline. We can all do our share to limit the spread of content that tries to manipulate us by silencing voices in the debate. So, to recap, personal attacks are a way to scare people out of the public debate. Insist on respect, report hate speech and threatening behavior. Pause and think before you contribute to spreading intimidating content. Share this video to spread awareness about disinformation.